In this video, we will look at customized sort using comparator. So let's create a new class, new, and the class name is stream comparator example. Let's create a public static void main, and here we'll be returning all instructors sorted by their name. So list of instructors, list is equal to instructors dot get all dot stream and then dot sorted. So if you look at the sorted, then there are two methods. One takes the comparator, we'll be selecting this, and we'll be providing a comparator, the comparator, and then comparator dot comparing, and inside this we'll be comparing with instructor dot get name. And then we collect, and afterwards we print it out. So here, instead of just calling the system.out.println, we'll be using the list dot for each, and here we'll be printing it out using method reference, which is system.out::println. So this will print all those instructors in different line. So let's run this program. So you can see that the list is in sorted order A, G, J, M, and S. Now if you want to get in the reverse order, then it's simple, just put dot reversed and run this. And now you will get the list in reverse order, starts with Syed, Mike, Jenny, Jean, and Anthony. Now let's look into behind the scene operations using debugger. So create a breaking point over here, debug, and click on trace current stream chain, and then you can see over here that's instructor Mike, that it is sorted in a reverse order. So Syed becomes first, and Jenny comes over here, then Mike. You can see that the list is being sorted. So sorted basically sort them into a different stream, and then afterwards, once the stream is ready, then it's being collected in the list.